Hi, this is Ed again. Still working on Victoria's ring, and now we have this piece that we soldered. This is a gold silver stranded braided wire that I've soldered at the very end, and it's nicely set. So what I want to make it turn it into is a complete and a nice oval. So I'm gonna try using this, the rawhide mallet, right? Make it, turn it into a complete oval without making it expand very much, because we do want it to go around the ring. And the reason I want to make it a nice, straight, flat, consistent oval, like a ring, right? Just like a ring, is because then I can flatten it or bring the sides in to create the ellipse, right, of the stone. We know it's a 2.5 inch ellipse. So now I've got it in a nice oval. I'm going to fit it around the stone by bringing in the ends. I'm going to have the solder piece on the side, so it won't have to bend as much. And I'm going to compress it and push it down. So now I've got a little like an ellipse oval, and I'm going to fit this right around the stone. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to bring it up closer so you can take a look at this. And so there's the crown piece that's going to be holding the stone. It has this little ellipse around it, and I'm going to flatten that wire out, but that fits really nice. Fits really nice. And then it'll go on the ring. I'm going to show you that. So here's the ring, and then this piece will kind of go on there like this, kind of like that. But anyway, you'll see it when it's done. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next. Well, let me put you back. Hold on. Continue processing with this. What I'm going to do is bring this in here and flatten it real good. Turn over. This really straightens it out. It's pretty good now. So let me see how this fits on here. I really like how the bezel came out, but it's got a little bit more work to do on it. So we'll get to that. Yeah, and that fits really nice. It's a little loose now because I think I did a little over hammering maybe, but I think that'll look good. Yeah, that'll work. It's Victoria's ring.